Welcome to the Business Leader Spotlight Show.
I want to welcome everyone to the Business Leader Spotlight Show. This is Randy Van Ittersum, your host for today. Today we have with us Marvin Solomiany, a leading divorce attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. He's here today to talk to us about some of the legal issues you can encounter in a divorce. Marvin, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having me.
Now, if there's children involved, how is the custody of the children determined?
Sure. In most states, we have basically two aspects of custody. There is legal custody and there's physical custody. In most situations, you have what's called joint legal custody. And what joint legal custody means, essentially, is that it allows both parties to have a say in terms of important issues concerning the children. And those important decisions are basically surrounding four major issues: health, education, religion, and extracurricular activities. As the joint legal custodian of the children, both parties are required to discuss with one another those decisions before the actual decision is made. The court will appoint usually one of the parties to have final decision-making authority over each of those decisions. Usually, but not necessarily, one party may be allotted all decision-making authority, but there are situations where the court will divide those decisions in terms of the parent that the court deems most appropriate to make those decisions. So that's the legal custody aspect. When you're dealing with the other aspect of custody, we talk about physical custody. And physical custody basically means with whom the children are going to be residing with the majority of the time. So in a typical situation, you may have a situation where, there's joint legal custody, but the father or mother have primary physical custody of the children, subject to the other parent's parenting time rights. There are situations, obviously, where we see joint physical custody arrangements, and a true joint physical custody arrangement essentially means that both parties are to spend basically an equal amount of time with the children. So those are two aspects of custody opportunity.
Thank you for listening to the Business Leader Spotlight Show.